Thanks for viewing our short video showing the Green Mountain Daniel Boone Prime pellet grill inside and out. Here's AmazingRibs.com's Dave Drockham, who tested this model. If you're on YouTube, Facebook, or another social media site and want to learn more, go to the link on AmazingRibs.com below to read our detailed review. I think you'll understand why Forbes magazine calls us the world's leading outdoor cooking resource. This product was sent to us by the manufacturer. When we're done with our testing, it will go back to them or be given away. We never sell test models, and no one ever pays us to be reviewed. Here's the Green Mountain Daniel Boone Prime pellet grill. We'll give you a little walk around. Nice sturdy handle, pretty generous full-size work table, a side shelf. The hooks here have little screws so you can position them where you like for all your tools and doodads. You can adjust the chimney up or down by spinning it. The side shelf folds down. These legs allow it to fold down and get out of the way. You got a standard grease bucket. And this handle for Green Mountain's adjustable heat shield inside. Unscrew this little door to clean ash from the fire pot. Use a shop vac or even a regular vacuum to suck out ash so you can keep the fire pot clear and problem-free without taking the insides apart. Just screw that back. Going around the back, hey, you can see this nice lower storage shelf. Couple locking casters. Keep Daniel Boone from moving all over your deck. Check this out. The serial number is actually your Wi-Fi password for Green Mountain's smartphone app. Here's the power supply. There are a couple different configurations you can work with. You can plug it into a standard outlet or direct current. This is the pellet cleanout chute. Slides up and down. And you can see inside, that is the low pellet indicator, which senses when pellets are low and sends an alert to the app. There's a nice handle that swings out of the way for storage. The pellet hopper lid has a latch, so you can lock it down. Here's a safety screen to keep your fingers away from the moving auger. And basic instructions right on the lid, so you don't have to keep pulling out the manual. And now to the brains of the operation, the controller. Here's the antenna for the Wi-Fi. Got your power button, temperature up and down. 2 meat probes plug in here. Green Mountain includes both meat probes, and you can thread them into the smoker through these covered holes. Wi-Fi control. And you can also charge your phone. You gotta love that. And obviously, a bottle opener. That's a little plus. Inside, we have thin stainless steel rod grates. Here's the drip plate. They put a little finger hole here to make it easy to grab. A slot on the right indicates it's the right side for correct installation. Here's the heat shield. And here's the fire pot. You can see that igniter rod. Check this out. There's an optional pizza oven attachment that fits right into the fire pot. Pizza stone. Put the lid back. Pretty simple. It's actually a nice setup. Easy to get on and off. Let's put everything back and look at the adjustable heat shield. Hook it up to that sliding handle we saw a moment ago. And position the heat shield from left to right. Let's center it for now. Put the drip plate back in. Notched edge goes on the right. It funnels all the grease down to a little slot right here, where it ends up in that grease bucket on the side. Back go the stainless steel grates. And that is the Daniel Boone Prime from Green Mountain Grills. To read our detailed review, go to AmazingRibs.com. On our red navigation bar at the top of your screen, search for our review by the model name. Forbes calls AmazingRibs.com by far the leading resource for barbecue and grilling information. So while you're here, check out our news, tested recipes, technique and science, product ratings and reviews, barbecue competition info, tailgating, barbecue history and culture. And if you still want more after all that, then you're a candidate for our Pitmaster Club. Be amazing. Try a free trial membership. You'll be glad you did. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.